How to add a music track to GoDaddy website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a music track into your GoDaddy website builder. So either it is going to be here a product or it is going to be integrated as a download uh, button. You are going to do nearly the same thing. So let's say that we are going to start by adding it as a button or a downloadable file. We're going to head over godaddy.com, sign in for an account, choose the website, and you're going to open up the editor just like that. Now, what we're going to do basically is to head over the sections and we're going to click on add. From here, we're going to head over files and web. Now we're going to click on files and then we're going to have here the second list. As you can see, we have the first one, best of a list of PDFs or file for download, or the second one. I rather prefer the second one because it is going to be here well organized, so we can go ahead and put the music track name or title, and also maybe we can add something else for the description of it. Or you can also go with the first one, which is going to be much simpler. I'm going to select the second one, click on add. Boom, here we have it. This is going to be a single file, as you can see. What we're going to do basically in here is to have the file. As you can see, we have at least, or we can at least preload or upload up to 15 files. So all you need to do is only to click on the button add in here, which is going to be situated under the contact us button. So as you can see, this is the section. So it is going to be titled as download. You can go ahead and change it. And also you can go ahead and have the theme edited for the color of it. So aside from that, we're going to head back to the section. We're going to click on add. So I'm going to head over a copyright-free website to download music like Pixabay. For example, I can go ahead and download any music, and then we are going to have it just like that. Now, what we're going to do is to have our music added by clicking on the button add. So we are going to click on add here. It is going to be a little bit hard to distinguish it. I think that is due to my monitor, so it is going to be a little of a monitor. Normally you are going to find the button here. I have removed the um, contact button by refreshing the page, and it is going to show you the list of the specific, as you can see here, files. We're going to select this one, click on open, and it is going to be right there. So I'm going to, or I can go ahead and rename the file, and it is going to show the format of the file automatically. So I'm going to let it as this. So as you can see, this is going to be very easy. You're going to click on done. Also, you can add as many, as you can see, files, and they are going to be here in not in between, but facing each other right there. So that was for setting up music to download only for free. Now, if you're going to put it as a digital file or sell it, you can go ahead and click on store. Then you're going to add a product. After you have clicked on add product, you're going to click on here. I'm going to add manually the product. We're going to put it as a digital product. As you can see, we have the category of music. Then we're going to put the name of the file. And after that, we're going to add our illustration for the music or the vinyl or something like that. Description of it, price, category, and the downloadable content. You're going to put it just right there. And just like that, you're going to add it in here. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.